Is your air conditioner on the fritz? A heat pump uses the same technology as an air conditioner to keep your home cool. And when winter comes, bonus! It works in reverse to heat your home, even in very cold Iowa temperatures. While the upfront cost of a heat pump is higher than an air conditioner, you can get 30% back, up to $2,000 in a tax credit. Over the lifespan of a heat pump, homeowners save $3,000 on average on energy costs.